You know, I've realized I'm not actually that important to you guys. So, let's just skip the story. Let's just learn some English and get it over with. No heroics. Just words. That's all I'm worth, right? He said I wasn't second. He said I was... Type it in the comments right now so I know you're actually listening. What am I?
Oh, wow! Another gold trophy for our amazing June! I am so proud of you!
Haha, thanks, Mom! The science fair was super easy, honestly!
Say cheese! We are definitely going out for ice cream to celebrate!
Yay! I want the giant triple fudge sundae!
Phew! Practice was really hard today, but I scored a goal in scrimmage.
That's nice, sweetie. Make sure you leave your muddy cleats by the door.
Can I get a triple fudge sundae too?
Maybe next time, buddy. Today is about your sister's huge achievement.
Achievement?
It means doing something very great and successful, Jake. She worked hard for it.
Oh, right. I work hard too, though.
Oops! Hey, Mom, since I won, can I get that new expensive robot kit now?
Of course, honey. We'll order it right now.
Wait, Mom, can I get those new Goldie gloves? Might have a giant hole in them.
Let's see. No, maybe next month, Jake. You need to try harder in your classes first.
But that's not fair.
You just need a little more dedication, Jake.
Dedication?
It means working really, really hard at one thing without giving up, like me with science.
Ugh, she uses too many big words. Hey guys, make sure you stick around to the end for the vocabulary recap so you can learn what all these words mean. I definitely need it.
All right, ice cream time. Let's go, champions.
Yeah, coming.
Hurry up, Jake. Don't make your sister wait on her special day.
Every day is her special day.
What was that?
I said, why is she always more important?
Jake, stop exaggerating right now.
Exaggerating?
It means making something sound much worse or bigger than it really is. We love you both.
No, you don't. You only love her. You just want her to be happy.
Jake, that is enough. Go to your room.
Fine. I don't care anyway. Nobody even sees me. I'm just invisible.
I feel terrible about yelling at him earlier.
I know, Lisa, but we didn't have enough back then.
Huh?
We couldn't give June anything when she was a toddler. No toys, no classes.
We have to make it right now. We have to give her everything we missed.
Make what right? What are they talking about?
What was that?
Who's there?
Phew, that was close. They really do care about her more. It's a secret.
Mark, hurry! We are going to be late!
I'm coming. Where are the car keys?
Kids, listen to me. Dad and I have an urgent errand. We will be back in exactly 1 hour.
Okay, Mom, drive safe.
Jake, stay with your sister. Make sure she's okay.
Always her. Make sure she is okay. Never me.
Let's go. Bye, kids.
Wow, they left in a huge hurry. Hey, before things get totally crazy here, don't forget to stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap. You don't want to miss it.
Well, they're gone. I'm going to watch TV.
Actually, I need to get my old science trophies from the garage.
Mom said to stay inside.
I'm fine, Jake. I'm older. I know what I'm doing.
It's way up on the top shelf, June. You can't reach it.
Yes, I can. Watch me.
Be careful. That shelf looks really wobbling.
Almost. Got it. Whoa!
June, look out!
Ah!
June, where are you? June, can you hear me? I'm right here. Are you okay?
Jake! I'm stuck! The shelf is on my leg! It really hurts!
I have to move it. There, I've got it. You're free.
I'm so scared, Jake! My leg feels all wobbly and I can't get up!
It's okay, June. You're safe now. Just stay right here and don't move while I go get help. Phone! Where is the phone? Come on, pick up!
Please leave your message after the beep.
No! Okay, call Dad!
The person you are calling is unavailable.
Nobody is here! What do I do? Think, Jake, think! Wait! The emergency number, 911. Please answer.
911, what is your emergency?
My sister, the shelf fell. She's hurt and she's crying. My parents aren't here.
Okay, take a deep breath for me. Help is on the way right now. Is your sister conscious?
Conscious?
It means she's awake and her eyes are open. Can she talk to you?
Yes, she is crying.
You are doing a great job. You are very brave. Stay on the phone with me and go hold her hand.
I'm here, June. Don't worry. Help is coming.
I'm scared, Jake!
I won't let go. I promise. They're here!
My babies! What happened?
June! Jake!
Stand back, folks. We got it.
Jake, are you okay? Where is she?
She's in there. I called for help.
You called 911?
Mr. and Mrs. Whitmore?
Is she okay? Please tell me she's okay.
She is going to be perfectly fine. But it was incredibly brave.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh.
You acted very fast, young man. You stayed calm. You saved your sister today.
Oh, Jake.
Why is she always more important, Mom?
Oh, sweetie, no!
Jake, there is something we need to tell you. When June was little, we were very poor. We couldn't give her anything.
We felt like we failed her. So when things got better, we decided to give her everything we couldn't before.
So, that's why everything is about her?
No, the truth is, we were just afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid that you didn't need us. You have always been so independent.
Independent?
It means you can do things all by yourself without needing any help. You never ask for much. You handle things on your own.
We thought you were okay. We were so busy fixing the past with June. We didn't see what was right in front of us.
I wasn't okay. I didn't need less. You just didn't see me.
We see you now, my brave boy. We see you now. I am so sorry.
Today, you showed us something we should have seen all along. You're not second, Jake. You are incredible.
Thanks, Dad. Today's vocabulary recap. Achievement. Doing something great. Dedication. Never giving up. Exaggerating. Making it sound bigger. Independent. Doing things yourself. Conscious. Awake and talking. Urgent. Needs help now. Unavailable. Not able to answer. Incredible. Very, very amazing. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.